it's your girl Rob and welcome back to my channel. Today we doing sipping paint. I got these canvases. Hold yours up, babe. I got these off Etsy. I'll put the link in the description below. That was like $10 a piece. And then we got us some wine. I never had that kind before.
A little champagne, little, little period.
Babe bought this up in here. So we're gonna be sipping while we painting, hence sipping paint. Here, you open it, please. And then I'm going to get paint brushes ready.
I ain't seen this before. This little thing.
What is it?
I'm sure. Oh, I need the other thing.
You just gotta twist it like this.
Oh, that's what it is.
And then this will come on.
I'm tripping, ain't I?
Yeah, you do that. Is it gonna come out? Send it green. Ooh!
Pop, pop, pop.
Okay, I'm gonna can you reach it? Let's see, it smells strong. Ooh, it's a little dry, but it's okay, it's okay. Drink up, let's paint, get your colors out what you go use.
You know, it'd been dope if you get that custom name. That would have been a P. Perry Christmas.
I mean, I probably could have told you, but I ain't think about that. That would have been cool though.
Alright. Show y'all how low, you know what I'm saying, artists work. You hear me? Yeah, heard me? I don't even want the traditional red and white, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh, y'all, I feel like my copper tuna acting up in my wrist from painting. Okay, they did it. Oh, you doing LA Lakers?
Come on.
Okay, that's gonna be cute. Something like that.
I want to see it cute.
What color you gonna do the words? Oh, you don't know yet.
Whatever comes to me. I don't know yet.
You need to sip. I feel my drink already. I'm still painting my gingerbread brown, y'all. My wrist don't hurt, though. I'm gonna lie to you.
What mine do?
What? You do? You jealous? You like painting, babe?
I don't mind painting. I'm kind of neutral in that zone. I don't mind painting. Painting is a good release, though.
They said neutral.
Right.
What are releases?
Shit. I don't know. You can use paint for a lot of stuff, man. You use paint for art, create something you got in your head. Paint as a stress relief to get away from, whatever situation you in. If you in a situation, all that.
All that good stuff. How you doing?
You country.
What is it?
All that good for.
Okay, babe, done drunk up your drink. Go on and refill us up some more.
Please.
Please.
But I ain't gonna lie, but this little thing, that little tough, boy. Oh, slow your road, that is.
I'm almost done, you guys. Doing a little dibble dabble. What did the drink taste like to you?
Like, I can't explain them, but it is kind of dry, like you said.
But it good though. So you guys, this is what I got painted so far. It's hot. Eyeballs burn. They're looking a little cute over here. Okay. Should I color in the eyes, babe, or leave it white?
That's your painting, boo.
I know, but I'm asking for your advice, your opinion.
Color in the eye.
Like a little dot or like the whole thing?
Dot.
Should I do black or color? Like a black thing?
Do your eye.
Okay. I'll remember that next time you ask me for something.
I just told you that.
Oh, yours is showing. What you got over?
Know what I'm saying? Voila, man, Jake, my boy. You got a little first.
I see you.
Know what I'm saying? Simple, man, simple. Put a little color together. Merry Christmas. With the Laker hat, you already know we're going all the way this year. You feel me? Matter of fact, that reminds me.
Look at the eyes, y'all. He drunk.
I hope that's the right purple. hope so.
Alright, you guys, I just finished painting my background. I'm finna outline the gingerbread again, and then I will be done.
As for me, I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Keep it simple. Merry Christmas, man. Throw some colors together. Hold on, man. I feel like the light. See, I can see. You know what I mean? LA, man. You know, I'm a little outside the line, but you know, they say all geniuses do that. So I ain't tripping. Call me Van Gogh. Hey, Van Gogh with the. Van Gogh with the. You heard me?
Alright, you guys, I am done with mine. Comment down below which one you guys like. Whew, I feel like we've been painting forever.
Painting is a form of meditation, I think.
It is. We was listening to music while we sip, babysitting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we out. Stay tuned for the next video.
Peace!